This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giselle Lyman. Welcome home. This beautiful lakefront 3-bedroom, 3-bath floor plan with den and 3-car garage. The Modern Style DaVinci model by Kolter is known for tall ceilings, open light-filled rooms with ample storage space, open family room/kitchen layout, and outdoor living area. This exquisitely decorated home in an award-winning neighborhood is just waiting for you to call it home. Kitchen features large island that boasts generous cabinet and counter space. The primary suite is spacious enough for a sitting/reading area and features a large walk-in closet. Enjoy the most breathtaking sunsets over the water from your beautiful and spacious lanai. Artistry Sarasota is one of the most sought-after new communities in Sarasota, Florida. Residents enjoy access to a resident-exclusive clubhouse that includes a full fitness center with yoga and aerobics studio, resort-style pool, expansive poolside sun deck, community room, playground, pickleball and sports courts. Outdoor amenities include covered outdoor seating areas and walking trails. Excellent schools close to downtown and beaches, easy quick access to 1 to 75. For more information, review the details below.